Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I decided to use another one of my 6x6 paper pads that I had in my stash. And I'm going to be using Doodlebug's Under the Sea. And I'll use this just to make some birthday or thank you or just because cards. So as you can see, I have several scraps and a few of the full sheets of the paper pad left. So I found this sketch in my book of sketches. I have a binder filled with sketches. Every time I find one, I print it and put it in there. And it's a Mojo Monday 6x6 2-sheet wonder challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my full sheets to these dimensions and then put together some cards. So I'll put on some music while I do all the cutting and putting together, and catch you on the other end. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Well, I went ahead and finished putting together the cards off camera. And to use up my bits and pieces, I did pull in this MFT collage cover-up die. So I used that to make several cards. Let me show you those. And this is all I have left of this paper pad. The Under the Sea Doodlebug paper pad is all 3 little strips. So I think I did pretty good in smashing that stash. Now here are the ones I made using the collage cover-up die. And I didn't put a sentiment. I decided I'm going to leave them without a sentiment so that perhaps I can just have them in my stash. And sometimes my kids will say, hey, do you have a birthday card? Do you have a thank you card? Do you have, you know, different cards? So I made 7 using that die. And then using my other pieces of paper. Here's the rest. There's 4 more. So it's 11. So I made 6 in this style. So I made 17 altogether. I think I did pretty good. Let me know in the comments below which card was your favorite. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.